We all need regular checkups to stay healthy. Well, this concept also applies to our air conditioner that runs around the clock all summer long to keep us comfortable. Angie Snow is the owner of Western Heating and Air. She is here with everything we need to know before we fire up the air conditioner. And your phones are starting to ring off the hook, I know, as the temperatures climb a little bit.
We're getting a little bit busy right now.
People may not realize your technicians actually run through a checklist, as I understand it, to assess the overall health of an HVAC system.
We call it our AC Health Report Card. And it's awesome because our technicians are kind of like doctors for air conditioners and furnaces. And so we go through a very complete and thorough checklist and let you know, is it good, green light, yellow light, you better start watching it, or red light, whoa, we got to make some changes here.
Give us an example. What does that entail then?
So we look at the thermostat. We look and make sure all your vents are open. How's your blower housing? Because people think the air conditioning is just the unit outside, but no, there's a lot going on inside too. So it's a very thorough inspection of every component.
And I notice as part of this checkup, your technicians monitor the static pressure as well. What is that static pressure?
Well, think of it as kind of like your blood pressure. When you go to the doctor, if they take your blood pressure, that indicates how things are running, whether it's high, low, neither of those are good. Same with the air pressure, the way the air is flowing through your home. So by doing static pressure tests, we can determine if there are things that are like constricting the airflow. And it may not always be your system, it may be just your ductwork needs to be modified. And so by having someone who knows what to look for and can test that pressure and know what those pressures indicate, we can prevent a lot of future breakdowns and make your equipment last a lot longer.
Yeah, I think you touched on a key word, which is prevention. We talked about your phones ringing off the hook this time of year. Is it a smart recommended move to set up an appointment like this each and every spring?
Absolutely, yes. We recommend, and the manufacturers recommend, every single spring for your AC and fall for your furnace. And that's why we have a program in place. It's our Monument Savings Club, where people can be members of this club. We come out, we take care of their maintenance year after year, and it extends the life of their equipment, and they just don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, it's mindless. You're just set up, you're ready to go, you know you will take care of us.
Exactly.
Hey, before I say goodbye, I understand congratulations are in order. You just opened doors on a new store.
I know, we are so excited. We are having our ribbon cutting tomorrow, May 10th.
Where is it?
It's in Lehigh. It's our second location. We're going to be able to serve the folks in North Utah County and Salt Lake County so much faster.
Awesome. You've got a special pricing, I know, for the ribbon cutting.
We do. For this maintenance plan, if you come to the ribbon cutting or even just mention you saw us on Studio 5, we're going to give you one free service when you sign up for a year.
All right, we'll take it. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And be sure to mention Studio 5 for that service deal. Thanks, Angie. We appreciate you.
Thank you.